shit! Testing day today. Food, never mind. 3, 2, 1, go! Good results, right? Not? Oh, bring it. Oh, stop! Ouch. Could be better.
En nu?
Hey, male. If we're interested in faster gears. Yeah, I know. On my way already. Oh, what a rusty wrench. There. Nobody saw that anyway. First stop, Rösler. They make everything perform better. There. Oh, hi. I'm coming. Ah, you make it look good. Nice machines. That's proper smooth. But, how does that work exactly? Right, earplugs. Oh, hello. That muffles well. Nice material. A sec. Okay. Haha. And in it goes. Wow, more sizes. Efficient. Ah, there are my gears again. Haha, that's mine. Looking shiny. Perfect. All right, next stop, mid-to-Toyo. Let's remeasure them. There you go. Let's see if they've improved. Okay. Oh, nice. Thanks, man. Look. Haha. No joking, here it is. Does it fit? Ah, looky. Profit. Smooth operator. Nice work. Haha, great job, guys. Boom.